just went and uploaded that last video, and then they regrouped and went right up again. Look, centre of picture. I've got two stragglers that are out because they've been in the breeding section, so they're not with them. One was sitting on the house over there, but it's gone now. But there you go, look at them beauties. Oh, I lost them again. No, all I can see is blue sky. Oh, they're right above me. Now I've got to admit, yesterday the young birds didn't get this high, which is why I put the old hen bird out with them today. Look, and look at that. That's fully zoomed in. I'm fully zoomed in there. There they are. Not sure if you'll be able to see this if you're looking at it on a mobile phone. That's me zoomed out. And I'll zoom in. There. That may focus in a minute. Let's zoom in on that, look. That's fully zoomed in on that kite. Get a lot of them about here now, which is not a bad thing. Where's them tipplers gone again? They're way up there, look. Crikey. In fact, I think they're too far now to even see them. This is what you wait months and months for over the winter period. Wait for blue skies to get them birds up there, look. They're only fed the normal. 1 scoop of barley, 1 scoop of depurative each. In fact, the young birds, they're not even on that. They're only on 1 scoop, ½ ounce measure of depurative. But the old hens, they get a ½ ounce of barley, ½ ounce of depurative, purely for the fact that the young birds aren't as big as the old birds. Right, that's 5 minutes. Thanks for watching if you have. Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Look at that. Get to see that look for free. Don't get paid myself. I don't get paid for videos. Just purely for fun. I'm not making no living out of it. Do it for fun. Let everybody else see the birds fly. Bye for now.